Pakistan today, we have 4 to 5 million orphans, and that's through poverty, through tragic conflict, but also through being on the receiving end of the climate crises. Even though Pakistan is not a major contributor, and there is a huge argument there around the whole climate injustice agenda, not for here today, but it's quite right and proper that orphans in need intensify that program in Pakistan. And we are talking about significantly intensifying that, while of course many charities do work there, and while of course the short-term support, be that through short-term aid, short-term food packages, support packages, excellent. What we need is a wraparound support, something that will make sure that any family is able to live with dignity. I mean, we've seen some of the case studies today of families we will be visiting in Pakistan must intensify, and that's the program that I'm here to support. Currently, they support 1,200 families in Pakistan.